I received these molds from Boo and Nicole. I'll add the name of the exact mold. I'll add a link to them in the description. So to start, we're going to try to figure out how much Jesmonite we're going to need. And I'm going to use the water method. You're going to put it on this tray, and then we're going to tare the weight of the 2 molds and the tray. We're going to add water to the molds. You're going to fill it all the way to the top, and that's 409 grams of water for both molds. Find that this method, you are a little bit short at the end. 2.5. Just going to take this to the sink and pour it out. So we're going to start off by making the smaller vessel. Okay. 27, so a little bit over. It's okay. And then I'm going to make a butter yellow color. Add a little bit of yellow and a little bit of white. Massage this part. It helps the Jesmonite kind of move into all the small spaces. They also sent me this sanding pad, and it's Velcro. You just stick it on and then sand down some of the rough edges. I'm going to do the same for the bottom of my jar. This one is nearly perfect. There are no air bubbles. I waited a couple days to let these fully dry before adding my wax. I'm going to make these into candles. Nicole Molds also sent me this wick centering tool. This is an upgrade from their previous model. Pull these little handles in and out to adjust the diameter. Place the vessel in the center like this. Adjust it so it's centered in this tool. Looks like that. And then you can take a wick and drop it in the middle, and that magnet there helps secure the wick. And then you can use this tool to hold the wick in place. I always do recommend securing the wick down with a wick sticker or glue. And then just push it down. I just wanted to show you how to use this wick centering tool as an example, but I won't be adding a wick to these candles because I do need to wick test them. I'm going to seal the inside of the candle jars with their gloss sealer, and then I'll be using this Mod Podge spray, matte spray, for the outside of the vessels. It fits about 119 grams of wax to this line, and this one fits about 176 grams of wax. I'm going to try using these wood wicks. This is from Makesy. It's the Crackling Booster Wick Mini Kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut maybe like this much.